How to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. After you open Settings, scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. After you click on Apps and Notifications, click on App Info at the top. Here, you'll find all your apps. Scroll down to the bottom and search for WhatsApp. After you find WhatsApp, simply click on WhatsApp. Here, click on Permissions. Click on Contacts. Then make sure it's Allow. Make sure there is a dot in Allow. And after you do this, WhatsApp contacts will be synced. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.